Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to update OBS Studio. So let's have a look now. Open OBS Studio on your computer. Go to the Help menu at the top of the OBS window. In the Help menu, click on Check for Updates. If an update is available, OBS will prompt you to download and install the latest version. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the update. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.